So, one of the chapters of the book is about education. We live now in a time, in a neighborhood where people would give fingers, feet to get the kid into an Ivy League college. And parents and kid feel that the world comes to an end if they don't make it to an Ivy League college. And kind of getting that sense that it does not really matter much. College education matters. And it would be nice to get it at an Ivy League college. But this is not the end of the world. I was just talking a month ago with a kid of a neighbor, and I said, college is just the beginning of adult life. This is not the end of it. And he is smart. He got into a good college that is known in engineering, which is what he is most interested in, but it is not an Ivy League college. And I hope and expect that he is going to do well there and in life. And so that really is what is important. That is to know when to stop, when to say, I have reached it. I have more than I even deserve. I've been lucky. And now I will find satisfaction in sharing my good fortune, my work. I worked for what I have with others. This is how I find a well-being. And that is true. That is true for all people, although where they find that life well-being, where they find that they are among the top, is going to vary from person to person. I still don't run very fast.
Right, but you got Nava, and she was the perfect one, no matter how fast you walk or run or crawl. Yeah, the comparing can be a trap. I think all humans do it, and it's just a matter of awareness, which is what I think the big picture of what, if I could reduce down to, I don't want to reduce down to what you're saying into one word, but comparing happens. You have to be able to govern it. You have to be able to handle it, not dominating you and dominating the conversation. They make more money. I don't have as good of a job. They live in a better house, and want what you have instead of having what you don't, or instead of wanting what you don't have. And that might take time. That just might take the experience in the course of life. Some people have that as a very young age, and some it takes a lifetime of work to work towards, and not towards like it's a destination. I talk to our listeners and our viewers every day, and I know that they value financial security and employment security